Hi, today's topic is factor trinomials. So let's take a look at the binomial x plus 3 times another binomial x plus 1. So we separate the x plus 3 and then each times x plus 1. And then we use distributive property. Okay, so we multiply x times x squared, x times 1 is 1x, and then 3 times x, 3x, and 3 times 1 is 3. And then we add the like terms in the middle, 1x plus 3x equals 4x. And then the final answer is x squared plus 4x plus 3. Factor x squared plus 4x plus 3. That means we go backward. If you had two binomial multiply, you got a trinomial. So when we factor a trinomial, we should get two binomial. So x squared, so we know that you should have x times x. We just need to know this two number. So now I'm going to show you how to find this two number. So we're going to begin with the last number, the constant. You're going to find two numbers that multiply equal to 3. So you're going to have 3 times 1 or 1 times 3. 3 times 1 equals 3, and then 1 times 3 equals 3. And then you're going to add them. You can add, and you make sure you get back to 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So it works. So that means that the pair number is 3 and 1. So you're going to have plus 3, positive 3, and then positive 1. Positive, positive. So some people said, can I write x plus 1 times x plus 3? It is the same thing, because when you multiply, you swap the order, it's the same. Just like you have 2 times 3, it's the same as 3 times 2. Now let's take a look at number 2. We got x squared plus 6x plus 5. So now we're going to put parentheses, x squared become x and x. We need to find two numbers that multiply equal 5 and add together equal 6. So 5, we get 1 times 5, and or 5 times 1 is the same. So now you're going to do 1 plus 5 equals 6. So now it match, because that's what we get, 6. So now we're going to do x, and then you're going to have plus 1 because positive 1, and plus 5. So we finished. That's the answer. The two numbers that multiply equal to 5 and add together equal to 6. Now let's take a look at number 3. X squared plus 10x plus 9. So now you're going to make two binomial. X squared become x and x. So we need to find two numbers that multiply equal to 9 and add together equal 10. So 9. So we get 1 times 9, 3 times 3, and then you go back to 9 times 1. So the same as this pair. So now we're going to add 1 plus 9 equals 10, and then we're going to add 3 plus 3 equals 6. So this pair match, because you want to multiply equal 9 and add equal 10. So this one match. So we get 1 and 9. So you put plus 1 and plus 9. So we finish. Now let's take a look at number 4. X squared plus 6x plus 9 equal. So same thing for parentheses, x squared become x and x. You're going to begin with this number. You make two numbers that multiply equal 9. So 1 times 9 equal 9. 3 times 3 equal 9. 1 plus 9 equal 10. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 and 6. So match. So therefore it should be 3 and 3. Plus 3 and plus 3. So we finished question number 4. Okay, let's take a look at number 5. Number 5, we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. So now we're going to put parentheses, and then x and x. Now we're going to begin the last number 6. 6. We get 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. So it's the same thing. Now we're going to add 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 and 5. So you match. So the two numbers that we use is 2 and 3. So plus 2 and plus 3. So we finished question number 5. Now I'm going to ask you to do the next two questions by yourself. Do number 6 and number 7. Okay, so I'm going to give you 1 minute. You have to find two numbers that multiply equal to the constant and add together equal to the middle part. So maybe you don't need 2 minutes, just 1 minute. Okay, so let's go over number 6. X squared plus 8x plus 7. So we're going to put parentheses times parentheses. X squared, it becomes x and x over here. Now we already begin with the last number 7. 7, you need to find two numbers that multiply equals 7. 1 times 7. 7 times 1 is the same. And then we add 1 plus 7 equals 8. 8. 8 match. So now we found a pair number. So plus 1 plus 7. Now let's take a look at x squared plus 6x plus 8. So we put parentheses times parentheses, x squared and x squared, 8. So we need to find two numbers that multiply equal 8. 1 times 8, 2 times 4, and then you get 4 times 2, 8 times 1 is the same. So now you do 1 plus 8 equal 9, 2 plus 4 equals 6. So it matches. So therefore you got plus 2 and plus 4. So we finished the question number 7. Now you're going to do the lesson summary and for multiple choice questions, just look like number 6 and number 7.